The Home Advisory, a California-based virtual and co-work realty. Our mission is to impact our communities by facilitating responsible homeownership and financial literacy. At the Home Advisory, we place people over profits, education over sales, and relationships over transactions. When we launched the Home Advisory in 2016, we had real estate agents in mind. We listened to the complaints of agents across the U.S. and decided to do something about it. Our discovery led us to modify one of the largest impacts on an agent's income, commission splits, hence the Pick-a-Split program. We understand that one size does not fit all, so we decided to put you in charge. We believe in providing financial flexibility to our agents. Choose a commission split option tied to a reasonable monthly fee. Opt for a 70-30, 80-20, or 90-10 split that aligns with your business goals to maximize your earning potential. The Home Advisory Advantage. Compared to other brokerages, our agents save over $20,000 in commissions each year. We took the commission cap structure to another level. No stakeholder votes, no franchise fees, no pushy management, just one goal. You keep 100% of your commissions after the cap is reached. Hit your cap within 12 months, and we credit your monthly desk fee back to lower your cap based on your pay option. Save even more with our EXCELERATOR bonus that gives you the opportunity to earn an additional 10% cap credit reduction when you reach your cap early. This is a potential 18% savings on commissions that can go back into your pocket. We offer low transaction cost that you can control, in-house lending to help you easily monitor the health of your transactions, personal one-on-one mentorship, social media support, and a win-win culture that celebrates each other's success. So what else do you get? Exclusive agent support, KV Core seat and ongoing training, your own agent website, free lead generation, automated drip marketing, listing prep and marketing, mobile apps for CRM and open houses, instant listing presentations, social media marketing, Slack community support, and much, much more. If you feel like your goals are in line with our company, please scan the QR code to upload your application and start a quick discovery interview. We look forward to connecting with you and exploring the exciting real estate opportunities ahead. And thanks for your interest in joining the Home Advisory.